Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dissect the latest skincare innovations to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into a highly anticipated product that claims to revolutionize scar treatment and pore refinement: the Topicals Sealed Active Scar Filling Primer.
Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk ingredients.
The sealed primer boasts a powerhouse combination of medical-grade silicone, biomimetic peptide, retinol, and salicylic acid. Now, these aren't just buzzwords. They're scientifically backed compounds known for their ability to smooth skin texture, boost cellular turnover, and diminish the appearance of scars and blemishes.
Application is straightforward. Simply dab a small amount onto areas with scars or enlarged pores. Then wait 30 seconds before applying makeup or follow with your usual skincare routine.
And here's a tip. For makeup-free days, just pair it with moisturizer and sunscreen for a flawless finish. But what really matters is results.
After consistent use, many users report visible improvements in scar appearance and overall skin texture.
Some have even noticed a reduction in acne breakouts and dryness, thanks to its skin-nourishing formula.
Now, you might be wondering, can you use this during the daytime? Absolutely.
Despite containing retinol, its lightweight gel formula makes it suitable for daytime use. And yes, you can use it all over your body, not just your face, for targeted scar treatment wherever you need it.
In conclusion, the Topicals Sealed Active Scar Filling Primer is more than just a makeup base, it's a skincare game-changer. With its science-backed ingredients and impressive results,
it's definitely worth considering if you're looking to boost your skin confidence. But as always, remember to patch test and consult with a dermatologist if you have any concerns. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product critiques. Until next time, stay radiant.